Demonstrated by Chef Komangade, today's preparation is a delicious traditional Balinese recipe, young banana stem curry cooked in coconut milk called Jukut Eres in Balinese, and Tempeh fry. Welcome to Whada Gravy. This is the banana stem from a young banana tree, cleaned, chopped, and boiled in salted water to prevent discoloration of the stem. For the preparation, we will need half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 5 to 6 pods of peeled garlic, 6 to 7 pearl onions or shallots, which are used quite frequently here, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2-inch piece of galangal, 1/4 inch of fresh turmeric root. So this is one way of putting fresh turmeric root to good use. You can grind it and use it in gravies. 1 teaspoon shrimp paste, which is optional. 3 to 4 fresh bay leaves. In Bali, fresh bay leaves are used for flavoring. Red chilies of the spicy and medium spicy variety, and 2 sticks of lemongrass. To the mixer jar, add the chili, ginger, a small piece of nutmeg, the rest of the chilies, fresh turmeric root, and all of the other ingredients, excluding the bay leaves and lemongrass. Add a little bit of water and grind to a coarse paste. Heat a cooking pot. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add the ground masala, the fresh bay leaves, the lemongrass stalks, and keep stirring. Once it thickens slightly, add 100 ml of thick coconut extract, 100 ml of water, and mix. Add the boiled banana stem, mix, and add 1 tablespoon of fried onions or shallots. Allow to boil for a few minutes. And transfer to another container. This gravy tastes absolutely delicious with rice. Rice here is generally served in a bamboo container lined with banana leaf. The second dish that Chef Komangade is going to prepare is tempeh fry. Heat a wok with oil. When the oil becomes hot, add the sliced tempeh. Tempeh is a traditional Indonesian food made from fermented soya beans. It is made by a controlled fermentation process that binds the soya beans into a cake form. Fry on a medium flame until the tempeh becomes crisp and turns golden brown in color. Transfer to a colander. Add and fry the next batch of tempeh. Because of the method of preparation, tempeh has a higher content of protein, dietary fiber, and vitamins. It is rich in B vitamins and is a good vegetarian, vegan source of protein. Once the tempeh is fried, to a wok, add 1 tablespoon of butter, chop and add 1 big fresh chili, saute, add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of sweet soya sauce. Mix and add the fried tempeh. Fry well. Once fried, add 1 tablespoon of fried onions. Mix and fry for a few more minutes. As compared to tofu, tempeh is considered as a healthier option as it is less processed. Not only nutritious, it is also quick and easy to prepare. Transfer to a serving plate. Serve the young banana stem coconut milk gravy broth with hot rice accompanied by the delicious and nutritious fried tempeh. Thank you, Chef Komangade, for this wonderful recipe. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.